in conversation with Mr. Thomas from JPR Exports. Sir, could you please tell us about yourself and your position in JPR Exports?
Myself is Thomas. I'm in the industry for last about 30 years, and I work with this JPR Export for about 20 years now, and looking after the end production of this factory. This company is a government recognized export company. We are dealing in ready-made garments. We are making it and exporting it to USA, Canada, and European markets.
So, what are your personal views on the overall processes of the which are being carried out during the production?
Entirely, if you are saying it, first of all, the fabric and the storing is the main concern. If the fabric is correct and the patterning is correct, then garments is made perfectly.
Sir, how do you set up goals that are accomplished during a course of the production?
This company is, we are working in a seasonal way, because from September till May, the company is in a very peak time. That time always will be having very heavy production. At that time, we need to add more staff, more technical people to handle the things properly. And the production and the product department is to take out about 2,500 garments a day, the final product. That minimum should be there, then only we will be able to manage the capacity which we have to ship out in that particular month.
So, what do you think that any area which requires the maximum attention or has to be handled carefully according to you?
Mainly that is the patterning department and the fabric department. The fabric should be correct and the pattern should be correct. If the pattern is correct, the garment will be made correctly. As well as the fabric to be checked and should be correct, then the garment will be perfect.
So, what are the challenges you face during the entire course of garment manufacturing?
Mainly that is the stitching, whatever you are doing in house. We are having maximum manufacturing in house with the stitching and all the other machineries in house. There are sometime this festival season, the tailors are less. At that time, if the shipping date is been given and if you are not able to manage it, then it is a little challenge. Otherwise, we are running smoothly without any type of problems.
Which department do you think is very difficult to coordinate and why?
There is no department like in the factory is difficult to handle. If it is difficult, then we cannot work. The handling, the things are all proper, but some department is little tough and some department is okay, but we don't have any major issue on the subject.
How do you make sure that the correct detail has reached the correct departments?
That's the main thing. If the communication we receive from the buyer, it should be communicated to each and every department properly before starting the production.
You said that there are certain problems in managing the patent department. So are you planning to install the computer designing, that is CAD, or any other technological upgradations
Certainly,
for that?
we are in a process of going for a CAD machine, so that the peak time, the manufacturing of patents, there are a lot of patents to be made. So if the machine is there, it can be very easy to handle the department at that time. So definitely we'll be going for a CAD machine.
What are the steps that you undertake during the course of manufacturing to minimize the wastage of fabric or any other wastage?
That's a very relevant question. That thing is that if the wastage is there, you cannot do garment business nowadays. Definitely I personally see the averages wherever it is been used in the table is correct. If the laying of the pattern is correct and there is no wastage in the fabric in the cutting. So if the cutting wastage is there, if you lose 10 centimeter in a garment, in a whole month you will be losing a lot of money. So definitely we used to take care in the averaging section so that there won't be any wastage in that section.
So finally, we would like to know about your experience, the overall experience in training and guiding the laborers.
Nowadays there are a lot of institutes are there, a lot of people are coming out with new experiments and experience. With the garment industry is growing up like anything, so there is no major issue on getting good people, good working people for any of the department. You can get always, there is no problem.
And what is your experience working at JPR Expo?
This company is personally, if I am feeling this is a good company means the owners of the company is having enough money to manage the factory. If you are a good paymaster in the market, so you don't have any problem to work. So you can get anything done up with your words without going to the owner of the company or to the director of the company without any problem. There is no problem of managing this factory. I am very happy to work with this company.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights and time.
Thank you very much.